Hello, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to start the basics of crochet. I'm going to show you how to make the slip knots and how to make your first chain. This is how I start the slip knots. I'm holding the yarn like this between my fingers. Then I wrap the yarn around these two, making a cross in front of me. I'm holding the yarn on the back so it doesn't go anywhere. See, we still have the cross in front of us. I turn around my fingers, grab the crochet hook, put it between these two, and I grab the one behind. Turn around and hold it like this. And if we just loose it and we pull these together, we created our slip knot. That's it. One more time. So we hold the yarn, wrap it around so we create a cross in front of us. Hold the yarn between your ring finger and pinky, turn around, grab the one in the back and pull the strings. That's it. Well, now that we have the slip knot, it's time to start the chain. Hold the end of the yarn between your fingers so it doesn't go anywhere. Then yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Once again, yarn over and pull it through the loop. Now we chained 3. So then it depends on your project how long your chain has to be. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And this is how you make the slip knots and the chain. Now you know how to start your crochet projects. So enjoy crocheting and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.